Hi friends, we're from Zovargo. You may recognize some of these awesome familiar faces from our education team. We are just reading and opening your letters, and we're so thankful that you had us come to your school. We're all gonna read a couple of your letters, and hopefully you made the list here. So I have one from Julie. Julie says, thank you for coming to Doyle. It was so fun, and I especially like the cat. His cheek actually rubbed my 2 fingers. And I'm the girl in Girl Scouts, so I might see you again. And here's her awesome picture. Thank you so much, Julie. And I have one more actually that says, thank you so very much for bringing Biscuit, Vader, Leo, Sheila, all of the animals to our school. You were so nice to bring them all. Thank you so much. And this one is from Robert.
So I have 2 letters. One's from Magazine. He says, Dear Zovargo, thank you for coming and teaching us all about animals. Also, it was nice to meet and touch some rare animals. My favorite part was the hybrid cat, the Asian forest scorpion, and actually all of them. It was really fun because they were cute and a little bit scary, but I was not afraid of them. They even did awesome drawings. Another one was from Anna. She writes, Dear Zovargo, I love Biscuit. Can you bring Biscuit and Leo and a bird for my birthday? It is on April 16th, and bring it to class. I think this is what she wants for her birthday. Awesome.
Hi there, I also have 2 letters here with me, and the first one is going to be from Ethan, and it says, Dear Zovargo, I am Ethan. I was the first one to touch the scorpion, but my favorite was Leo. Leo is a Chinese name, and I am Chinese. And my next one is from Jana, I think. Thanks to Zovargo for letting us touch the animals. The cat was cute, the guinea pig was the most cute one, and also the lizard. I love all the animals, and you are the best, coolest animal people. Thank you very much. So we do have some really amazing, beautiful pictures here from Jana and from Ethan.
Hi, so I have Eleanor's letter, and they said, thanks so much for Vader, Biscuit, Leo, and Sheila. They were fun to touch. Biscuit and Vader were cute. Leo and Sheila were amazing, and so were the others. Thanks a lot. And she has some pretty cool pictures right here of Vader, Biscuit, Sheila, and of course Leo.
Hello, I have a letter from Carson. Carson wrote, Biscuit, the Asian forest scorpion, and Stella and Leo were the best pets. I had a lot of fun with Zovargo, and they were really nice, and they're the best. And my next letter was from Rowan. Rowan writes, thank you for bringing Biscuit, Leo, and Leo. I like petting them. It was fun. They were cute and very soft.
Hello everyone. So I have a letter here from Kana. She says, thank you Zovargo for letting us hold and pet Biscuit, Vader, Sheila, and Leo. I think they were amazing. It was like a dream come true. I always wanted to pet or hold these animals. And this is her amazing drawing of all of them.
Alright, hi guys. So I have a letter from Jillian here. She said, Dear Zovargo, thank you for showing all of us the guinea pig, Asian forest scorpion, bearded dragon, and the hybrid cat. I love Leo because he is so furry and cute. I also love Biscuit because he is also furry and cute. I think that Vader is cool. When I look at it, it is so small and black. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jillian.
Alright, well I also have a letter here from Eli, and Eli says, thank you Zovargo, I liked Vader. My favorite was Leo. Biscuit was good. It was so fun to see a scorpion. It was fun. And then he drew this awesome picture here with everybody in a circle getting to meet and touch Leo, our Bengal cat. So thank you so much, Doyle Elementary. We had so much fun bringing our animals to you and absolutely enjoy being able to share them with you and other people. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.